What's up, guys? So today I did get my package in the mail from Blazy Susan. Oh, this is so cool. So I did get the Blazy Susan dad hat. For those of you guys who don't know me yet, I am obsessed with the color pink. That is my favorite color, and so is black as well. Black is also my favorite color. How do I look? I also did order the Blazy Susan rolling tray. I also ordered me some Blazy Susan slow burning pre-roll cones and some pink tips as well. These are my favorite cones ever. These are better than any other cones that I've tried before. At my smoke shop that I work at, I always recommend everybody to get these. And the guys are very skeptical about getting these because they are pink. They are pink cones. But hey, you know what? If you're a dude and you want to take your lady on a date, you know, bring these out. Your lady's gonna be like, hey, that's hella cute. Like, hey, you know, see, I just gave you a great idea right there. You always gotta have the pink Blazy Susan tips. Must have been hella lit when I was online shopping because I don't remember ordering these. I did get their premium silicone dab station. This dab station is perfect for your bangers, your dab tools, and your car caps. And then I also got the deluxe ashtray as well. For this silicone ashtray, it does have a built-in bowl cleaning tip, and it's an easy cleaning solution for your dirty bowls and ash. And last but not least, I did get the Blazy Susan pink Q-tips to clean your bangers with. These Q-tips are honestly really dope, guys. They are 100% biodegradable. They are vegan as well. Anything vegan related, I'm most likely just gonna buy it. That's my small video of me, you know, just showing you the stuff that I order online from Blazy Susan. Recommend you try out their products. Most of their products are all going to be pink. I'm loving my new dad hat. Loving all the products I got. Wishing you good vibes. Thank you again for watching my video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.